Welcome back everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to show discount percentage on Shopify. This is a powerful way to highlight your sales and encourage customers to make a purchase by clearly displaying how much they're saving. Let's walk through the process step by step. First, open your browser and head over to shopify.com. Once you're there, log into your account using your credentials. Make sure you're signing into the correct store if you manage multiple Shopify accounts, as this will ensure you're editing the right products. Once you've logged in and you're on the home page, take a look at the left side panel. Here you'll find various options for managing your store. Click on Products. This section is where you can view, edit, and manage all the items you're selling in your store. Now that you're in the Products section, browse through your product list and find the specific product you want to show the discount percentage for. Once you've located it, click on that product. This will open up the product details page where you can make all the necessary changes. On the product details page, scroll down until you find the price field. This is where you'll start setting up your discount. In the price field, input the discounted price that you want customers to see. This is the amount they'll actually pay when they purchase the product. Right below or next to the price field, you'll see an option labeled Compare At. Click on this field to activate it. Now, in the Compare At price field, input the original price of the product, the price it had before the discount. This is the key step because Shopify will automatically calculate and display the discount percentage based on the difference between these two prices. The Compare At price helps customers see the value they're getting by showing them what they would have paid without the discount. Once you've entered both prices, click Save at the top or bottom of the page. This will apply your changes and ensure the discount is now active on your product listing. Give it a moment to process and save all the updates. To verify that everything is working correctly, head back to the left side panel and look for the Online Store section. Next to it, you'll see an eye icon. Click on this icon to preview your live store as customers would see it. This is a quick way to check how your changes appear on the front end without having to leave the admin panel. Once your online store opens in a new tab, navigate to the product that you just edited. You should now see the discounted price displayed prominently, along with the original price crossed out. Depending on your Shopify theme, the discount percentage may also be shown automatically, making it clear to customers how much they're saving. And that's it. You've successfully set up and displayed a discount percentage on your Shopify product. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.